Well, it's one of those days, end of the day, discovered I have a flat, and that is the little culprit right there. That guy gave me a flat, and this is not one of those Grand Auto or big box store. This is a professional flat repair kit, and this is my second one. I used up the first one, and these are all my flats that I have received this year. That's just from this year. That's a brand new kit, and I'm about to the slippery goo is pretty good, but I like using vulcanizing what the hell's the name of this stuff, cement glue, and I soak my things inside there. I give it that extra little bit, stick it in the hole, put a little hair around it. Get in there, bitch. There we go. That's it. I'll let that sit for a little bit. Cut off the end. Make it nice and flat. And that's it. Now, because I use vulcanizing cement glue, I'll let that sit for about 5 or 10 minutes. With this stuff, you don't have to. This is just like a wax, and it just helps you get it in there. And but I like the extra little measure, and actually the thick black stuff is what I like to use, but they were out of it. And I don't have to worry about air because I have air always in my vehicle with the Milwaukee tank, the battery powered. I have a 12 amp battery, so I always have air inside my car, and I have nitrogen when I want to use my nitrogen in an emergency. And if last result or both are out, I have refrigerant, but I won't tell you how I do that. EPA, you didn't hear that. And all right, see you guys later.